All right, now welcome to part two. We're assembling the ECS oil catch can, and we already have the adapter for the turbo inlet put on, so we're just going to go ahead and finish this out in the time lapse. And we haven't ran into any issues so far, so hopefully we don't have the same issue assembling everything back together. All right, so now we got the ECS tuning oil catch can installed. It was easy. We came into a couple snags here and there, but it wasn't worth stopping the time lapse to let you guys know what was going on. So now we're just gonna go ahead and run it and drive it for a little bit, make sure there's no vacuum leak or oil leak or anything like that. So this is gonna be the end of this video. So hit the like button, comment down below, questions, concerns, you know, whatever. And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button either. And I'll see you guys in my next one.